Hey, this is Gomey, and in this episode, we're going to show you our new luggage rack for the 2018 and later Yamaha MT-07. We're starting out with a 10 gauge cold roll steel E-coated. Now that's a rust inhibitor, and it's finished off with show quality black powder coat. As with all other kits from National Cycle, all necessary hardware is included for installation, no hassles, and we also have a great tech support. If you run into any issues, feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help you. This does mount to existing holes on the bike, so what does that mean? No modifications required. It has the look of OEM. One little detail I'd like to point out is in the little cutout in this area here, we're picking up on this little detail on the tank pad up on top, as you can see here. Again, I want to point out the nice tight fit of this rack. Tell me it doesn't look OEM. We've got the slots strategically placed to securely mount your luggage, your lunchbox, or whatever it is you want to take on your day ride or your tour. Again, it wouldn't be Gomey if I didn't mention our windscreens, our VStreams. VStream, again, is a mechanical patent where it's wider at the top, narrower at the bottom, a little bit more vertical, enhancing the wind speed and pushing it further away from your head and shoulders. This is quantum hard-coated polycarbonate. Quantum is an exclusive hard coating to National Cycle. Mounts just like stock, has a 3-year warranty against breakage. This is available in 3 different heights. Short sport, this is the mid, and we have the tall clear. The mid is in light tint. So you've got the whole package. You've got the side guards, you've got the wind protection, and you have the stowage capacity. We've got it for you on this MT-07, and there's gonna be more to come for the MT-09 and 10. We're gonna address the whole family. Okay, so to sum it up on this segment of Ask Gomey, we've introduced to you the luggage rack, the soon-to-be-had side guards, and our VStream, which can all be seen on our website at nationalcycle.com. Be sure to click on that Products by Bike button, select motorcycle or scooter or UTV, ATV, year, make, and model. You'll come to a landing page that is specifically for your bike. You can make a secure purchase and know it's gonna fit. Visit us on our Facebook page, Instagram, or at Twitter. Again, we'll see you down the road or at a rally this season.